loves, my name is Clara. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber or if you have already watched my other videos, welcome back. So I got my package from Fashionphile 2 days ago and I decided to do an unboxing today. So if you guys are interested or if you want to know what's inside the box, please keep on watching. I guess this is the item that I got, so let's see what's inside the box before I open this one. Oh, this is nice. So they gave me this one as a freebie. It says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Wow, this is usable. So cute. And wow, they gave me a calendar. So it's a 2021 calendar from Fashionphile. This is so cute. Oh wow. The packaging is really nice though. I really love it. You see, it's so luxurious. Like if you hang it in here, it's so nice. There you go. Well, it's just a calendar, but it's a really nice one. Maybe this is the receipt from them. This is my first order from Fashionphile, so I don't know what to expect. So let's see. Let's try to open this one. There you go. Okay. So it's like a thank you card. Tag us with hashtag Fashionphile. So it says here, shop, sell, repeat. And then if you want to sell this back, then you could get up to 75% of the purchase price. Well, that's a good idea. So in case, you know, you change your mind, you'll be able to sell this back to them. But if you still have a chance to return this item, and I guess this is just the receipt from them. I don't want to show it to you guys because you would see the item that I got from them. So it wouldn't be a surprise anymore if I let you guys see the receipt. So there you go. Comes with this one. And this is the one. Get right onto it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, still wait for me to open it on the side. You can maybe get it out. Oh my gosh. So it comes with the Fashionphile dust bag. This is so cute. Let me open. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I forgot. So when they posted this online, it says that it comes with a dust bag. So it's a Louis Vuitton, and I'm sure you guys are making a guess right now that it's a Louis Vuitton agenda. You guys are correct. So let me open it. Gosh, it's so, like, I'm so excited. There you go. Oh my gosh. Okay. So on the side, it has this remove the tag and own the bag, meaning if you remove this, you won't be able to return it if you are unhappy. So this is Fashionphile, and this is the authenticity card that it comes with. It says that this item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. Oh my gosh. Okay, just an overview, guys. When I first ordered it, I thought it was black. I didn't know that it was green, because if you would see the pictures online, you would see it as black, not green. So I was like, oh my gosh, what did I order? Did I order green or black? Because when I read it again, like the description, it's green. It's called, I think, I'm not sure if I would pronounce this correctly, Epicea. It's in forest green. But oh my gosh, with the price that I paid for it, It's so nice. So of course there are scratches. It's not perfect, so I know that it says it's in very good condition when they posted it. So let me give you an overview. So this is the front, this is the side, the top, and the bottom. There you go. So it says here on the exterior that there are corner wears. So probably the corner wears would be on this side. Scuffs, edge wear, liquid marks. Well, where? Oh, probably on this side too. Like, I'm trying to see. What is outside? Sorry, I'm just appreciating the beauty of this planner because I really got a good price out of it. So in the interior it says cuffs and then card slots are stretched. Well, this is pre-loved, so what would we expect? So I saw this one online, they posted it. Posted those marks. There we go. And the rings are still okay. They're still shiny. Like, let me try to open it. Wow, it's working perfectly fine. There you go. And I don't think that the card slots are peeling yet. Okay. So this is the inside. Oh, apparently maybe this is the one that I didn't know. Okay. The code is right there. I can read it. I don't want to ruin it, but it's right here. So on this side. Let's see. So I just want to show it to you guys. The planner that I got pre-loved from Fashionphile. It's in green, but I really love it. So I just want to show you like the difference when you put it right next to a black planner. So this is my Filofax personal planner. There you go. So that's the color. So this is a Taiga medium ring agenda in epicea. And guys, I only got it for $230 plus tax, and I got it free shipping. This is really a good deal. I know they don't have this color right now. I believe this is just vintage, and the Taiga leather now it comes in black and it has like silver hardware, but this one it comes in gold hardware. So I'm really excited to use this planner. It's so nice. Well, I'm still thinking of getting the monogram in medium ring agenda because I think I love the size. Well, so if you guys are going to buy pre-love, just make sure that it's something that you really want, because we all have different preference. We sometimes wanted to go the brand new way, or we wanted to go to the pre-love route, which would save us more money. But it's something that you can decide. You can do a lot of research if that is something that you really want. You could either buy pre-love first and see the feel of it, and then if you really want to buy that same type of product, then you could try it first and see, okay, I really love this pre-love, so I'm going to buy the brand new one. But well, I'm really happy with this purchase, and I might consider buying more stuff from Fashionphile in the future. So if you have any questions about this planner, please leave your comment below. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching. See you soon.